Ang daming nagtatanong kung okay ba siya for women's skin kahit men's product siya. Hi everyone! I want to share with you the Zenith Anti-Aging Tallow Cream. It's made with tallow, which is naturally rich in fatty acid that are very similar to our skin. Meaning, mabilis siya ma-absorb ng skin natin and it really helps to reduce dryness. Excited na ako. Open na natin siya, guys! Ganda ng packaging niya. Ooh, bango. Try na natin siya, guys. Try muna na siya natin sa kamay. Wow, look at the glow. And try na natin siya sa face. Yan. So lately, dry yung face ko. Since ang dami nating ginagawa. Bango niya. Wala akong makeup nito, guys, kasi una ko munang nilalagay is moisturizer. So since it's a tallow cream, siya na ang first base natin. Look at that. Diba? Pwede nang kahit walang makeup. Punta tayo ng gym. Zenith lang ang ginamit. Ayan. So let's see. On the way tayo sa gym, guys. Ayan, medyo mainit, pero hindi naman ako nanlalagkit. So, So, I've been using this product for a week na rin. Sinama ko na siya sa skincare routine ko. Mas effective siya, guys, sa gabi para paggising mo, glowing yung skin. My skin looks really smooth. Sobrang bright lang niya, less dark spots, and mas nararamdaman ko, nag-strengthen siya as you can see naman. At ang dami nagtatanong kung okay ba siya for women's skin kahit men's product siya? Yes, pwedeng-pwede. If you guys really want to upgrade your grooming, go with Zenith na. And don't forget to take care of your skin. It really built for a Filipino skin, syempre, dahil sa weather natin, paiba-iba, mainit, tapos malamig. Simple lang siya, effective and clinically proven to deliver best result. You can check their social media, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. You can buy their product at Zenith website, www.tryzenith.ph. Thank you, Zenith!